One of the first steps of the manufacturing process, once the lumber arrives at our factory, is our rough mill. And the machine that's used here is called the RipFirst machine. All of the wood is X-rayed, which is a system that we incorporated in 2019. This detects any internal flaws or issues with the wood so that those can be cut out at a later time. From there, the wood actually travels through an optical scanner, which takes 400 shots per second of the exterior of the wood. This helps us to detect grain pattern and again, any external flaws so that those pieces can be cut away. These cutoffs are not wasted, and they're actually used to heat our factory in the wintertime as they're burned in our boiler. This ensures that we're very sustainable in our manufacturing process, and there's almost zero waste in such a precious resource. From here, these pieces are then cut down to smaller components, and they're ready to go through the additional milling process to be made into furniture.